Good morning, children. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Now, today I am going to start second chapter in our EVS class. Okay, so get set ready. Now, students, our chapter second is our sense organs. Sense organs. Normally, we have five sense organs: eyes, nose, tongue, ear, and skin. Got it? Let's start with these. Our body is like a huge machine that works with the help of different organs. There are both internal and external organs. I hope you all understand this internal and external organs. First of all, let's talk about the external organs. Organs which we can see, touch, is known as external organs. Example is ear. We can see eyes, fingers, nose, our mouth, lips. All these are the external organs. Okay. Now, internal organs, organs which are inside our body, which we can't touch, which we cannot touch it. Got it or not? Example, our brain, heart, stomach, lungs, and livers. So many others internal organs. Got it? Now, our sense organs help us to experience the world around us. Okay, tell me, if we don't have these sense organ, is this possible to take taste of anything that we eat, smell, feeling of hot and cold? Is this possible? No. अगर हमारे पास सेंस ऑर्गन्स ही नहीं होते तो हम इन डिफरेंस को एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं करते. Our eyes tell us that a rose is red. How we know the colors? It's all because of our eyes, because our eyes determine the colors. अगर हमारे पास आई नहीं होती तो हमें कलर का डिफरेंस ही नहीं पता चलता. Which color is this? Okay. Our nose tell us that it is a sweet smelling. When sometime your mother is cooking some new dishes in kitchen, you suddenly got this smell. Wow, today mama is cooking my favorite sweet, my favorite dish. Is that clear or not? How you all will be able to determine? Because of smell. And which organ is responsible for that? Nose. Our skin tell us to handle it carefully because it has pricky thorns. Pricky. Sometime what happen? गलती से आपका हाथ किसी कांटे के ऊपर पड़ जाता है और सडनली आप अपना हाथ हटाते हैं. क्यों? Because our skin is also one sense organ, and that time our skin tell us, remove your hand from pricky thorns. कंटीले कांटों से अपना हाथ हटाओ. Because our skin feel it. Sometime you kept your hand, your any of the body parts touch the hot plate or any of the hot utensils. Suddenly what happen? आप जल्दी से अपना हाथ हटाते हो. अरे मेरा हाथ जल गया. How you feel? It's because of skin. And our ears tell us that the bees are buzzing for the rose nectar, so we better stay away. Bees, छोटी मधुमक्खियाँ जब आपके कान के पास बजिंग करती हैं, साउंड आती है उनकी. That time we determine, yes, यहाँ पे bees हैं, so it's better to stay away. Okay, now first of all we start with sense of smell. Our sense of smell tell us many things. We can smell a dead rat before we actually see it, and we can tell it a food item has become stale merely by sniffing at it. Our nose determine the smell of dead rat without actually see it. हम कहीं जाते हैं तो गंदी स्मेल आती है, हम कहते हैं छी कितनी गंदी स्मेल आ रही है, यहाँ ज़रूर कुछ डस्टबिन वगैरह होगा. क्या हमने एक्चुअली देखा हुआ है उसको? नो, बट आर नोज डिटरमाइन दिस थिंग्स. ओके, खाना ख़राब हो जाता है, हमें स्मेल आ जाती है, ये ख़राब हो चुका है, इसको खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज आर नोज डिटरमाइन दिस. Similarly, the smell of our favorite food being cooked make us hungry. Actually, what we smell are tiny things called odor or smell particles. आपकी मदर किचन में कुछ बना रही होती हैं, आपको स्मेल आ जाती है and you get hungry, या भूख, आपको और तेज भूख लग जाती है. It's all because of odor or smell particles. What is this? What we smell are tiny things called odor or smell particles. Millions of these odor particles mix with the air around us. ये छोटे छोटे जो स्मेल के ये जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, खुशबू, स्मेल, ये एयर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं और फिर एयर के थ्रू ट्रांसमिट होकर हमारे नोज़ के पास आते हैं. In that situation we can determine. As we breathe in, the odor particles enter through our nostrils. They travel up the nose where some special smell detecting cells are located. Where are these smell detecting cells are located? In our nose. The particle stick to the tiny cells and send signals to the brain that tells us whether the smell is good or bad. And these tiny cells send signals to the brain, and the brain determine whether the smell is good or bad. Got it? Now, our sense of smell is also a matter of personal choice. Some of us like the smell of garlic, fish, and mustard oil, but some of us may find these very strong and unpleasant. Some of us are allergic to certain smells. Pleasant smells make us happy, while unpleasant smells can cause uneasiness. Most of us find the smell of perfume, flowers, and scents clears very pleasant. We know we all have our different choices. Few persons like the smell of garlic, fish, and mustard oil, but few are doesn't like. Few of like the smells of perfumes, for flowers, scents, but few persons doesn't like. Got it? Now, here you have to write down the name of two animals which have a strong sense of smell. Okay, the next one is sense of touch. Our skin help us to feel what we touch, while the other four sense organs are located in specific parts of the body. The sense of touch is all over our body. The sense of touch is all over our body. The skin cover our whole body in multiple layers. Yes, remaining organs like eyes, nose, tongue, ears, these are having a specific parts, but skin is all over the body because skin covers our whole body. So skin is also a one sense organ. The sense of touch start at the bottom layer of the skin where there are nerve ending. These nerves deliver the information to the brain about the things we touch. Our body comes in contact. So if we touch something prickly, our brain tells us, our hand, to move away from the danger. The message travels along the nerves. That means नर्व डिलीवर्स द इंफॉर्मेशन. हमारी जो स्किन है, हमारी स्किन के बॉटम लेयर में नर्व होता है, वो मैसेज को सेंड करता है. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर ऑल्सो, अपर वन इज द आवर स्किन and the bottom portion is nerve. This nerve cells help to send the message to the brain. When we touch anything pricky, it sends the message to the brain, and brain tells our hand to move away from the danger. वो pricky है, अगर तुमने उसको टच किया तो तुम्हें पेन होगा. Got it? The messages travel along the nerves. Some parts of the body like hands, lips, face, neck, tongue, fingertips and feet are more sensitive than other. Mark it. It's very important. Our hand, these are more sensitive. Hands, lips, face, neck, tongue, fingertips and feet. These are more sensitive parts. Now, the others, because they have more nerve ending, so people who are blind can use their fingertips to nerve to read braille lipi. Braille, that we will study about this lipi in next part. Okay, normally this portion have more nerve organs, जिसकी वजह से हम किसी भी चीज़ को इजीली डिटरमाइन कर पाते हैं. एंड जो ब्लाइंड पीपल्स होते हैं वो इस लिपि के थ्रू स्टडी करते हैं. गॉट इट? सो दिस इज़ फॉर टुडे ओनली. नाउ रिमेनिंग पोर्शन वी विल डू इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू.